Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And today, mag-unbox o hindi siguro, mag-i-introduce lang ako ng, it's a toy and also a game. And this is it. Ayan. This is the Face Change Rubik's Cube. So, it's a competitive game. Yes. Pwede apat kayo maglaro dito. So, i-open natin ito. Yung maganda kasi meron siyang lalagyan, lata. Talagang lata siya. Okay, so, yan. Sa loob, meron kayong cards. Iba't ibang klase ng cards which has different faces. Ayan. Ayan. And then, after the cards, kunin natin yung mga cards na nandito sa loob. Yan. After that is, meron din kayong mga, yan, wooden blocks which is, kung ano yung lalabas na card dito, dapat yung bubuin nyo na face. Ayun. So, for example, kung natin lahat si yellow, yun. So, it doesn't matter kung yellow man siya or red kasi I think pare-pareho sila ng mga ng mga faces dito. Okay, so, ayun, let's try. So, parang medyo mahirap. Down natin konti yung video natin. Ayun. Okay, so, ayan. So, i-close ko muna tong box. At tapos, yung cards dito naman. Natin. So, for example, meron kayo nito. Ito yung card na napili or napili. Paunahan kayong makabuo ng ganitong face. So, yan yung gagamitin ito. For example, meron siyang star sa mata. Yan. Star. Dapat tamang-tama talaga yung pag position. So, ayan. Tapos, another star sa mata. Then, naka-smile. Yan, tapos yung isa pa. Kita yung ngipin. Saan na yung isang ngipin? Ayun. So, paunahan na ng pagbuo. So, ayan. Ayan. Na-form ko na. So, pareho na sila. So, ikaw yung panalo. So, kung apat kayo, paunahan kayo makabuo. Tapos, ang dami nitong iba't ibang face na pwedeng masunod. Ayan, for example, ito naman. Ayan. Meron siyang dila. So, hanapin nyo yung dila. Then, dapat pareho din yung mata. So, I think pareho lang yung mata, yung dila lang yung iba. Nasaan na yung dila? Nawala yung dila. So, ayun, parang ayun, yung tama ba? Yeah, dila. So, parang tagal nga, no? Okay. So, ayun. Ayan, so dapat ayun. So, kung sino yung una, siya yung mananalo sa game na yun. So, ayun, pareho na sila. Ayan. Nakangiwi yung dila. So, ayun. So, ganito yung game na to. So, maganda kung marami kayo, apat kayo, or tatlo kayo, or yeah, mas maganda kung apat kayo. Talagang exciting and yeah, it's 3 and up, pero hindi ko ma-consider to sa 3 years old kasi parang hindi pa nila to naiintindihan. So, much better ito sa mas medyo matanda o nasa teenager na or nasa mga grade 3 to grade 4 na yung edad. Kasi mas mafe-feel nila yung paglalaro kayo sa 3 years old. Parang na-excite lang sila sa colors and yeah, sa cards. So, masisira lang yan. So, paglalaroan lang nila tong mga cubes na to which is, yeah, it's made of wood. Then, merong paint. So, yeah, paglalaroan lang nila ng hindi sa tamang paglalaro dito or sa tamang ng instruction. So, dito sa likod, face change Rubik's Cube. We have an English, different language, exercise children's hands-on ability, hand-eye coordination, cultivate children's hobbies. Okay? So, ayun. Mas maganda to kaysa mga online games dyan na alam. Hindi naman masama yung online games, pero maganda rin kapag merong mga games talaga na nakikita yung bata. Okay? Kaysa yung puro lang sa screen. Okay? So, ito. Merong mga samples. Ayan, no? Kung ano yung card na nakita nyo, yun dapat yung susundin nyo. So, yan. Very, very easy. Easy na talaga yung, niya. Yung paglalaro nito. So, sa loob, meron pa tayong instruction na makikita dito. Your game introduction, ready, go, show your expression. Will your Rubik's Cube be surprised, sad, happy, angry, or have some strange expressions? Okay, so, game component, there are 16 squares, 4 in 4 colors each, and then there are 72 cards. So, paramihan ng points. Game goal, put the 4 squares in your hand into the face on the challenge card as quickly as possible. The first kid to spell out the corresponding emoji wins this challenge card and the first key to get 10 challenge cards wins the game. So, best of 10 lang tayo. Okay? So, game settings, shuffle all challenge cards and place them in the center of the table from the deck of the game. Each child chooses a color and takes a square of the corresponding color. So, pwede, dalawa yung style. Pwede iba-iba kayo ng color, kanya-kanya kayo ng cards, which is corresponding sa color nyo ng box or ng mga blocks na nasa inyo. Pero pwede rin na ihalo nyo, tapos kung ano na lang yung lalabas na card, pag flip ng card, kung ano yung lalabas na emoji is yun ang susundin ng lahat. So, depende sa inyo yung dalawang style. Okay? Then, play game. Start with the youngest child first and open a challenge card. Each child needs to rotate the 4 squares in his hands at the fastest speed. Switch positions and put the upward side into the corresponding pattern in the challenge card. So, ayun. So, pwedeng ganun. Okay, then when you think you have perfectly completed the pattern on this challenge card, place your hand on the challenge card. So, sino yung una makabuo, tap mo yung challenge card na natapos mo. If your answer is correct, you get his challenge card. If your answer is wrong, the game continues but you will be temporarily out of the game until the next round of the game begins. So, ganun lang. So, the game ends when the player collects 10 challenge cards and the player wins the game. So, ayun. Very easy to follow yung examples and then your settings and paano siya laruin. So, ito yung face change Rubik's Cube. Maganda siyang laro for children para ma-practice yung mga hand and eye coordination nila. Pabilisan to. So, gamit talaga yung utak mo kung tama ba yung nakita mo at tama yung mailalagay mo sa mga cubes mo. So, ayun. Very easy game and very challenging. Hindi lang sa bata, para rin sa matatanda. Talagang may enjoy nyo to. Okay, so that's it for now. So, yeah, try nyo to. At yan, nabili ko sa Shopee. I think it's 200 pesos yata, 190. Parang ganun yung price niya. Okay? So, that's it for now. Thank you so much. Another toy to review. Yeah, parang review na rin. Unbox and review. Maganda siya. Okay? Made of wood. Then, cards. Yung cards niya lang, it's a little bit, ano lang siya. Hindi siya masyadong matigas. Yeah, madali siyang mapunit. So, ingat-ingatan lang. Okay? Hindi naman siya papel. Ano talaga siya? Parang cardboard na parang manipis na cardboard. Parang ganun. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you like this kind of video and content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell para may inform pa kayo sa mga susunod ko pa na videos. Marami pa tayong susunod na mga toys, ibang toys, iba ko pang content, gunpla, anime. Punta na kayo doon sa playlist ko, marami pa doon. Okay, so that's it for now guys. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake to the past signing off. And yeah, signing off. Bye.